Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a safeguard board for your Telegram Memecoin. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to create a Telegram bot. Open Telegram and search for the bot further. Start a chat and use the command new bot. Follow the prompts to name your bot and create an unique username. Note the bot token provided. The following step is to choose a safeguard bot. Research available safeguard bots that fits your needs. For example, anti-spam moderation features. Select a bot that supports integration with your coin's community. The third step is to add the bot to your group. Go to your Telegram group where you want to implement the safeguard bot. Tap on the group name at the top and select add members. Search for your safeguard bot by its username and add it to the group. The second last step is to configure bot settings. Access the bot settings through its command list, usually available via /help. Adjust permissions and settings according to your community's needs. For example, setting rules for the message limits, spam detection. The last step is to test the bot. Send messages in your group to check how the bot responds. Adjust settings as needed based on its performance and feedback from users. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.